Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 31st, 2026, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's take a look at these charts and see what we see. Check out my good trade, bad trade. The Bears are back in town too. If you can have a minute or so. And let me maximize this, resize this, and this is what we're looking at. On the Russell looked pretty strong, but we're beginning to get a little bit of a tail here on this quarterly channel, this tail right here. So that means we're getting some selling pressure. We are getting some pressure to the downside, but we are still above pivot. We're still green, so we're still looking very bullish at this time. Let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart and see what we see here. On this monthly chart at the end of the month, we still are green. We are still above the 9-10 moving average, and we are getting a little bit of a tail on there. We did push back down below our R1 level, but we are still above pivots, so we're still looking bullish here. Let's go ahead and go down to our weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, let me zoom in here. On this weekly chart, we are beginning to see some selling pressure and some bearish looking stuff at this time. What I'm looking at last week, we had this tail here. We had got above a resistance 3, which I say sell, which I no trade recommendation there. But whenever you get that high, that hot, that's when it's time to sell on something like this. Been as hot as this thing has been, and we ended up this week with this red candle, we had a pretty good drop. Right now at this time, we are looking like we got a bullish engulfing. I'll zoom in there just a little bit so we can look at that a little bit closer. Let me see, zoom in here. Yep, that's look like it didn't engulf all of the tail, but the bodies are engulfed. When we're looking at these two candles, when I'm saying we're looking at just these two candles, so we are in the right location, for this bullish. Bearish. I'm not even used to saying bearish. This bearish engulfing at this time. So the thing is, will we get a confirmation candle to downside? Well, the Russell is just taking a rest at this time, and the Russell is going to start heading back to the upside. So we got to come and wait and see. But what I do see here, that doesn't give me too much confidence that the Russell is ready. Well, the Russell for the last couple of weeks has been it's gotten stuck in a little range here. So you can also look at the range and see if it's going to break above that range or break below that range. Is one of the things that you can look at. The other thing that I'm seeing also come next week, next month, these are monthly pivots. We will be opening above pivot. So again, we might be setting up just still continue going higher. And this thing is just, rallying. It gave a little bit of a drop base, then it rallied, now it's basing, then is it going to just rally again? So be careful, whatever you decide to do. Just pay attention to your trading plan and your trading strategies at this time. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and wrap this on up. And all in on this daily chart. Nice pretty picture here on this daily chart. And what I'm saying, nice pretty picture, is this right here. This evening star that we got. We got confirmation of that evening star. We got a little green candle here, which shouldn't have scared you out. Then we got a big, let me clear up some of that stuff. Then we got right here, we got a good bearish engulfing and confirmation to the downside. Check out my good trade, bad trade. I kind of called this top for you guys, and for you couple guys who like watching those videos. Hope you made that 10K, 100K those days there, and you got one of your big trades in for the year already, and all you need is like 3, 4, 5 of those trades a year. You're good, But that was this week was one of those good days, and that's it. That's pretty much all I really want to share at this time. We are looking like we are ready to head down. With the Russell, we're going to be opening below pivot come next week, and so the Russell, it can come all the way back down here into this area down here somewhere, and I don't know. It may stop here, or that's first target, second target, and first target is only $3 away. You'll be looking at a support 1 level, and all, and then is it going to go crazy and go all the way down to a support 3 level and all? Yeah, I don't even put the support 2 level in there, but again, based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, trade accordingly. This thing is heading down. This thing is it done, or does it have more to go? And that's all I really have to share at this time. This is a Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.